Hi guys, so this is going to be a very quick tutorial. I just want to briefly show you guys how I normally transition from a work time day look or a very natural look into a smoky, sultry eye. And I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette to create this look today. I do have my lashes on. I still have some eye makeup on, and of course my foundation, all that stuff. If you're interested in my full makeup tutorials, I'll link a couple of those for you down below, but I'm going to keep this one short and sweet today. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to the channel, and go ahead and check out the blog at www.tiffanydbrown.com, where I'll have more pictures of this look and all of that great stuff over there, and more product information if you're interested. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and head over to the blog at www.tiffanydbrown.com. Thanks guys. Bye.